Okay, this is a 740 Optiplex, one of the older units. Again, you pull it back here on the top of it, and it releases the side. Okay, there you go. So you just got to pull that side off, tilt it a little bit, lift it off, and then squeeze these two clips. You can pull this thing up and then just pull back. Okay, pull back and up. And on this one here, the hard drive, you'll clip the wires here. The fan unit's on the bottom of this thing. But again, you know what I would do on something like this if you have it? Just unplug it and then send the whole unit with the fan. It's small, so you'd have to cut the wires. I'm really not too sure. I guess it just comes out like the others. Yeah, there's no screws in it, so you can just pop it out. But if you want to, just cut the wires on this and send back the whole unit. You're done.